Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is SDG Index. So in December 2019, Niti Aayog has released the second edition of this Sustainable Development Goals Index or SDG Index 2.0. So this SDG Index is like a comparative analysis between states. This is meant to reinforce the principle of cooperative federalism along with competitive federalism. The important feature in this index is the fact that it now covers 16 out of the 17 global level sustainable development goals. In the previous edition, there were only 13 goals which were covered. So another important prelims information is this SDG India Index is developed in collaboration with the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. That is the important point. The international partners include United Nations and Global Green Growth Institute, which is there in South Korea. So the reason why we are including this Global Green Growth Institute and taking their help is they try to quantify the objective of sustainable development through their statistical modeling. Now, the concept of green growth involves the consideration of the fact that we are dependent upon ecosystem services, and this institute ensures that we account for those ecosystem services as well, and the best practices used in this institute are being replicated here also. So this year 2020 marks the 5th anniversary of the adoption of the Sustainable Development Goals by 193 countries. So in this report, there were certain scores which were mentioned. The trend is always important, not the absolute numbers. So the major success story is with respect to water and sanitation, industry, that is through ease of doing business, and innovation. However, major concerns include nutrition, gender problem, that is the gender gap problem or gender discrimination. This is still a problem which needs to be addressed at the grassroots levels. Please exercise caution when you are trying to remember state-wise performance. It is not relevant if you are not preparing for your state services, but these can be important if you are preparing for your interview. There can be a question where the panelists might ask about the trend of SDG index pertaining to certain parameters in which the state from which you belong has either performed well or not performed well. They might ask the reasons. So just go or dwell into the details if you are giving this interview anytime soon. Now let us have a look at this question. The SDG index has been developed in collaboration with the Ministry of Social Justice. This is a false statement because we have already seen it is MOSPI or Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. One important trend that I want to bring to your notice is the fact that Chandigarh has been the best performing union territory and it has achieved an average score. All the union territories in fact have achieved an average score of 65 and above. However, Delhi continues to perform very badly and stood as the worst performer in this index. So therefore, the second statement is indeed right and the first statement is false. Hence the answer is 2 only. Now please pause the video and answer this question. If you haven't watched the previous video on democracy index that was prepared by the Economist Intelligence Unit, I urge you to go back and watch that video because there are certain important criteria and information, and this democracy index is extremely important for this year prelims. So please go back and watch that video and come back and answer this question. Post your answer in the comment section along with an explanation. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.